everyone, and welcome to the RS Tech Talk. I'm your host, Miguel Gudino from RS Americas, and in today's episode, we have a special guest from Omron, where we're going to be talking about their vision system solutions and how they can enhance your fast-moving production line and inspection applications. So without further ado, Ryan, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself to our viewers and tell us what you do at Omron.
Thank you so much, Miguel.
Yeah.
Thank you for having me, number one. Really happy to be here.
Yeah.
So I am the machine vision product manager at Omron. So I cover all of the machine vision offerings from industrial cameras, smart cameras, up to vision systems, which I know we're going to talk about today.
Yes.
A little bit about me. I've actually been 12 plus years in machine vision.
Okay, awesome.
Wasn't the plan, but here I am. So that's where I am today.
Awesome. Well, thank you for that, Ryan. Really excited to learn about Omron's vision system. So just to start off, I did a bit of research myself on Omron's products, right? So from what I understand, there seems to be levels of cameras that Omron is basing these off by capability and applications, right? Mm-hmm. So could you elaborate on how Omron categorizes their machine vision solutions?
Yeah, absolutely. So first thing, love the research. Big fan of that. Anytime I'm doing something, having a little bit of knowledge is always really appreciated.
Yeah.
Really, when we break down machine vision at Omron, we do it in the three categories, right?
Okay.
We do it in industrial cameras. You'll find it on our website also called machine vision cameras. Mm. We do it in smart cameras, and then we do it in vision systems. And we break that down for a couple reasons. Number one, it's kind of the industry standard, right? That's how you define a machine vision solution, is one of those three categories.
Right.
The other part of that is we really showcase our capabilities and the breadth of product that we offer to the market. Mm-hmm. There's only a couple other companies in the world that really offer as much machine vision product as we offer from the full breadth of the line. You've got a lot of industrial camera companies, a lot of smart camera companies, some vision system companies too, but we're one of the only companies where we do all of it in one place, which is a really big thing, honestly.
Awesome. Okay, so pretty much the main takeaway from me is three main categories.
Three main, yep.
Industrial cameras, smart cameras, and whole vision systems. So, all right, we'll touch on this a little bit more in depth on each of those.
Sounds good.
So let's take a closer look at these. Let's start off with the Omron industrial cameras.
Okay.
Can you talk about the features of these cameras and where you would usually see these in customers' applications?
Yeah, and really, I don't want to say my favorite child, but I'm a parent of two, so I know you're not supposed to say it's your favorite child, but industrial cameras are kind of where I came from.
Okay.
So that's where I started. So I have like a pretty deep love for the industrial cameras.
Okay.
One of those reasons has to deal with the incredible flexibility and customability you have with industrial cameras. Mm-hmm. They're going to be, you'll hear them called sometimes, not as politely, dumb cameras. All they're going to do is give you a data image, right?
Okay, right.
So everything else, you need software, you need lensing, you need lighting, all of that's got to be done on the side. Now that sounds like a lot of work, but you're able to do some crazy stuff with all of these additional features that you might not be able to do. And I like to call it the funk.
Okay.
So industrial cameras can really start getting into the funky parts of machine vision. Smart cameras, vision systems, they're pre-designed to do the machine vision tasks, so you're stuck doing machine vision tasks. Right. With industrial cameras, that's where you can get down into it and start doing the funky stuff. Industrial cameras are really the customability, flexibility, that's what it's going to give you. And of course, you're still getting a high-powered product, you're still getting all of that functionality of machine vision, but you're adding that flexibility to it.
Okay. So pretty much really good entry points and has a high flexibility for customers' applications.
Yeah, and from an entry point cost level, they're going to be the lowest cost of all of them.
Awesome.
So if you want to spend some time with learning it, dealing with that, it's where the price point starts.
Yeah, and I know customers really love when it's a low cost
They
point,
do indeed.
Yeah. So sounds very versatile. So actually, let's take the next step above that, right? And that is smart cameras. So from what I saw, pretty versatile there. Can you explain what smart cameras can do and how do they fit into your customers' applications?
Yeah, absolutely. So smart cameras, let's take a step back. So industrial cameras, you've got to add everything to it, right?
Gotcha.
When you think of machine vision, there's really 5 parts to it. You've got a camera, a lens, a light, the software, and then something to process that software.
Gotcha. Okay.
Industrial camera, you're putting everything on the outside. The smart camera, you're putting everything in it. So with the smart camera, you've got the light, you've got the lens, you've got the camera, you've got the software, and you've got the device that's processing the software all in a single package. And that's the advantage of it. Smart cameras are going to cover 90% of the applications you see in machine vision. Wow. They're the simplest to set up. The Omron AutoVision software, I'm not going to brag too much, but it's incredibly easy to use.
Okay, awesome.
So with our MicroHAWK product line, we can really push that ease of use. I like to say 3 steps and you're in.
Awesome.
So you set up the smart camera, you're not having to mess around with all of the accessories, all the extra stuff. It's all there for you. So if you're looking for that true ease of use, plug and play style machine vision, that's where we go to smart cameras.
Okay.
And that's really where most of your applications are going to be.
Really?
So it's what I would maybe call your bread and butter, right?
Awesome.
That's where you really want to start there and then kind of work your way of like, all right, do I need more power? Do I need more flexibility? And depending on where you go on that spectrum, you might jump up to vision systems or you might go down to the industrial cameras. Right?
Okay. So main takeaway for me is that these are essentially plug and play. Easy to set up.
To a degree,
boom,
yeah.
Right, ready to go, right?
Yep.
Awesome. Okay, now, one last thing I do want to touch on is Omron's vision system.
Yes.
So can you talk about how the whole system works and when it would be a good idea to consider this type of solution?
Absolutely. So I'll actually take that with a little bit of a metaphor. I was an English major, so I have to use literary terminology sometimes. Think of machine vision like cars, right?
Okay.
So if we're going to say our smart cameras are our day-to-day car that we take to work, right? We're driving a Honda, maybe I've got a CR-V out there, right? I love the car.
Right.
I like to think of vision systems more like our F1s, our Bugattis, our Mercedes. We're getting up the price point. We're getting to a nicer, stronger, bigger, better machine, right? And that's kind of where vision systems are. Vision systems are a combination of smart camera and industrial camera. Okay. The cameras are being used, the same type of cameras you would use in an industrial camera. You're using third accessories, you're adding stuff on, but you have a controller that was designed for vision. So it's essentially a giant PC that's designed for machine vision. That's all it does. It does machine vision. All of the processing power, all of the GPU, everything that you would have is designed towards vision. Okay. That's also where we have all of our AI functionality, our fine matching, our defect detection, all of that is on the FH Vision system. So when you're wanting to get that extra power, that extra oomph into it, that's where we go to vision system. And really, it can also solve those smaller, maybe less difficult problems. Right. But we really want that to shine in those hard to solve, those requirements that might be a little faster, a little stronger, a little better. That's where the vision system really lives and thrives.
Awesome. So it's cutting edge is what I'm getting at.
Yeah, it could be kind of cutting edge.
Yeah,
yes.
with all
that's where the
AI.
best software implementation's going, the AI, all of the stuff that you really want to see in a vision system today, that's going to be at the top end.
Yeah. Okay. So just to quickly summarize the 3 main things, industrial cameras, flexibility, smart cameras, plug and play, and finally vision system, that cutting edge. Hey, you want something fancy into your system? Let's go.
Powerful.
Yeah.
If we wanted to bring one word, just powerful and robust.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Understood. Well, that's really awesome to know that Omron does have these options for customers' application. Very, very flexible to fit anything that they might want in a vision system.
Yeah, and that's an important point, right? Whatever they want, and I'll also talk directly to you. Whatever you want, we've got it.
Gotcha.
So come and check it out.
Come to Omron for vision
Go to
system.
Omron.
Yeah, gotcha. So, well, Ryan, that is pretty much all I had for you today. But before we let you go, where would you recommend our viewers to learn more about Omron solutions and their vision systems?
So first things, if you haven't been to our website, make sure to check out Omron's website. If you're not following us on LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, all of that fun stuff, we've got lots of things that we're constantly promoting, so make sure to check us out on LinkedIn. And then if you are local to Texas or you want to take a trip down here, we have a gorgeous proof of concept center over in Dallas. So come schedule a meeting, maybe talk to some of the RS folks, talk to your local Omron salesperson. Come down and visit us. We've got some great stuff to show, not just machine vision. So come take a look.
Yeah. All right. Awesome. That's really awesome. You heard that, folks. Go ahead and schedule something to see more about Omron's vision system here in Texas, if you're in the area. So thank you for that, Ryan. Any final thoughts?
No, thank you so much for the time. I really appreciate being able to come out here, talk with y'all. Anytime you want to talk about machine vision, give me a call. I'm your guy.
Not a problem. All right, well, thank you again, Ryan. Really appreciate your time coming down here and talking with us about Omron's vision solutions. I hope our viewers learned a lot more about Omron and their vast solutions on vision systems. And to our viewers, thank you for watching. We'll catch you next time on the RS Tech Talk, all right? Thank you.
Thank you very much.